Speech on Pakistan from my point of view. Mr. Chairman, honorable guests and excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. When the Muslims of India demanded a separate homeland for themselves, many thought that the establishment of Pakistan was impossible. Pakistan came into being. It was not only outlived their hopes or fears, but has also made wonderful progress in every field. Its survival and development have surprised all. An optimist believes that Pakistan came into existence to live forever and to prosper. To a country's freedom, there are two kinds of dangers, internal and external. By the grace of God, Pakistan possesses one of the finest armies in the world. It had repelled Indian aggression in 1965, and in 1971 it withstood the huge Indian invasion. Though East Pakistan was lost temporarily, yet the day is not far off when the Muslim Bengal would re-establish its link with Pakistan. No doubt, there are some foreign powers who want to disintegrate Pakistan and damage its basic ideology. But the brave people of Pakistan will never allow them to succeed in their evil motives. Unfortunately, Pakistan has not been politically very stable. But there is no need for despair. Keeping in view the latest political developments, we can say that in the near future, we shall be able to have a strong and stable political structure in our country. The representatives of the people of Pakistan have agreed on many fundamental issues and have chosen the priorities on which the nation has to work. In the economic field, hopes must be brighter. Starting in 1947, we were a poor agricultural country growing a few crops. Very soon our country began to be industrialized. Her dependence on agriculture lessened. At present, the high rate of our economic growth is largely due to rapid industrial development. Pakistan has taken a very short period in becoming a semi-industrial country. This fact gives us the hope of even faster development in the coming years. There are vast resources still to be utilized. Her mines contain gold as well as iron ore. Large tracts of her uncultivated land can grow all kinds of corn. Efforts in this direction will bring about a revolution in the country. Pakistan is known as a peace-loving country. Being a member of the UN, she always tried to secure peace in all the parts of the earth. Besides, she has always supported the cause of liberty and democracy. This will greatly add to her repute and prestige. All these hopes are not mere wild dreams. They have a solid foundation. The foundation is that the people of Pakistan are intensely devoted to her. They want to see her as a great country, and for this, they are trying their best. Moreover, they are true Muslims, also. The center of their efforts is to make Pakistan a really Islamic state, the purpose for which she came into being. Islam being the ideology of Pakistan, gives them the incentive to work for their country, nation and religion. They are looking forward to the day when Pakistan would appear on the world map as a great Islamic center. Thank you.